my channel, and I am Lailyah, and this is
Island.
My God, sister. So today we are going to be making slime, and so as you can see, I made butter slime. So as you can see, it turned out kind of perfect.
And while this video is how to make slime without glue or borax. You don't have to put it in the freezer or the refrigerator.
You have to put it in the freezer.
Well, to make an actual slime, like gooey slime instead of hers, like buttery. You want to make gooey slime, you have to put it in the refrigerator or freezer. It doesn't matter which one.
You put it in the freezer. So
next
next video we are going to be using friendship thread, and this is bracelets. So you see, we have some right here.
We made each other bracelets because we already did it.
Yes, I
as you can see, here's mine.
Yeah, she's putting her hand too close.
Okay, right here.
So we might, if we can't use any more of the soap, so we're going to use some else soap. So she's going to stay right here and stir my slime up until
And just to let you mention, guys, she is 8 years old and I am 7.
Oh, we're not supposed to tell our real time. Say,
wait a second.
We're not supposed to say that's our real time. We're not supposed to say that's our real number. Just say we are 11. So I am 9.
Oh, sorry. She's actually 11 and I'm 9.
She got our numbers
wrong because I forgot that we were doing it and not my little cousin, because I was thinking about them because they were so...
Yeah, because we missed them because they went to California.
And I missed them so much, so I'm thinking about them too much. Sorry. I'll be back.
Okay. So first you are going to get a cup, put some soap in it. Okay, I'm back.
I hope you guys seen that. That was funny.
Yeah. So if it doesn't come out the top right, you get it. Yeah. Pour it like that. And then now she's going to stay right there. Wait, stay right there.
But I have to show you the amount so you make the right sign.
That's really not the slime.
It's just the amount.
Yeah. So she lost the full coloring.
No, I didn't.
Really, full coloring. Really, it's back in here.
Okay, so the full coloring is yellow or the purple.
She has to use her whole or yellow.
And I want yellow because
there's no more full coloring.
Because we left it at my house because we're going to another one. But my mom said we had to go to bed and we forgot about it.
So I'm going to get a little bit of my slime and pour it in here. So
wait, yeah. Pour a little bit.
No, it's going to be a little bit.
It won't be as much as that little bubble right there.
No.
For the pop them in.
Okay. So she has to keep this in the freezer for a little bit. So now you're going to take the yellow and the purple and stay right there.
And then make something slimy. And then put it on and keep it inside the cup. And then push it down. Shake it a little bit. Then you see it's gone. You can't see it. Wait, go away. I gotta tell him something.
Okay, now I got it. Now
I have to bring the camera with me.
I'm bringing the camera with me. And she is a creep about this. So we're not going to go. Ooh!
Who you talking to?
Nobody.
That's scared, huh?
I'm making a YouTube video. Who
Scared me.
Don't put it on YouTube.
I'm not.
It's not on you. It's on our faces.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
What?
Okay. That was my mom. So you have to use this or some soap gel. I mean, that's soap gel. So walking back to the kitchen, you guys.
I'm bringing them both out. So for instance,
She wants to show you guys the emoji pillow.
we both have one and it's very cool.
Turn the water off.
I don't know what happened to that. And see, as you can see, we already made glue.
As you can see, I made it gooey a little bit. As you can see,
You can see we made goo, and we did that for our last video, the goo challenge. So look up our video. Wait, we have to discuss something.
come here.
We are so late.
Hi, you guys. She wanted to say what was our YouTube channel name is going to be. This is our first YouTube channel.
So she makes up the YouTube channel.
So our YouTube channel is going to be Lailyah So Lit. Lailyah. SOLIL, or you could put LILT.
But it's our YouTube video, so we can spell it however we want.
Yes, so we're going to spell it LIL. Alright, let's go. Bring this with us. Come on. No, leave it. So we are heading towards
I said, you still here?
somewhere, and here's my big brother. Why you did that? And here's my god brother.
Yeah.
He mad right now. I punched him in his face.
You ain't never punched me in my face.
I punched him in his face. Look at him on his phone.
Punch me in my face.
Brother, what you doing? Recording them on your phone?
I'm making a YouTube channel.
You don't got no YouTube channel.
But she finna make it. Not stupid because we doing it.
Look.
It's stupid.
Okay, you guys. Run. Okay, so our next video is going to be a prank. So we are going to be pulling a prank on somebody. So if you don't want the person to know, you don't have to make it. No, you can do it at nighttime, which is it's nighttime. All right. So our next prank is going to be at nighttime. So stir mine up and put hers in the freezer. Sorry. And rinse this off. So she's going to be mad when she recognizes her in the freezer. Yeah, I put your phone
Where's mine?
in the freezer.
Oh.
Leave it in the freezer. Leave it in the freezer. So as you can see, my slime. I got it.
Girl, where's my phone? Oh.
My slime.
Okay, guys.
It actually feels like slime when you touch it. Ooh. Gooey.
Now I'm going to touch it and see.
Yeah, you better not touch a lot. Just dip your hand.
Ooh.
Now, put your hand off like that.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, our next...
I can't get the rest off.
It's just like the clothes.
Wait. No, girl. Come on.
Alright, as you can see, our next prank is going to be something, a prank. So I'm going to put a prank on.
We're all right here and we can hear what you're saying.
I know I'm talking about. So I can pull a prank on 1 when he sleep, 2 when he sleep, and 3 when he sleep, and my mom and my godmom when they sleep. He think he gonna do something. Oh, my god sister.
Ow.
I believe it. 1, 2, 3. I'm scared about big brother. So, oops, went the wrong way. I am. So, as you can see, we are walking towards. As you can see, she told me to run, so I ran. Now we in the bathroom. As you can see. Bye, you guys. We are going to come back on this